You can look dramatically more awake and refreshed in less time than it takes to watch a sitcom without ever leaving your home. Imagine starting your day, not by hiding fatigue, but by erasing it. Puffy, tired-looking eyes can add years to your appearance, even if you are full of energy. This common issue stems from fluid buildup, sluggish circulation, insufficient rest, or mild swelling. The best part? You do not need drastic measures to see a real change quickly. Here are several powerful at-home techniques that can deliver visible results in roughly 20 minutes. This is not just about looking better, it's about feeling the instant confidence that comes with a bright, refreshed gaze. 1. The power of chill. Applying something cool is the most immediate method to address swelling. Think of it as a mini cryotherapy session for your delicate under eyes. Cold temperatures tighten blood vessels, decrease pooling fluid, and promote a firmer skin texture. Gently rest 2 spoons, chilled in the freezer, a cool gel mask, or a refrigerated damp cloth beneath your eyes. In mere moments, you will notice a calmer, less puffy area as circulation gets a gentle reboot. That tightening sensation is the sound of your skin waking up. 2. Green tea. Green tea is rich in caffeine and antioxidants, offering both depuffing and soothing benefits. This turns your morning ritual into a beauty treatment. Take 2 used, cool tea bags, press out the excess liquid, and lay them over your closed lids. The caffeine encourages fluid drainage while the natural compounds reduce inflammation. Wait about 10 minutes for eyes that seem more alert and defined. It is a moment of quiet pampering with a powerful visual payoff. 3. A caffeine kick. Topical caffeine is a secret weapon for the eye area because it constricts vessels and tones the skin. This ingredient is a proven performer, working on a biological level to smooth and tighten. Lightly tap in a small amount of chilled black coffee or a serum with caffeine. Avoid rubbing. Within minutes, the skin tightens and bags diminish. You are literally telling the skin to firm up, and it listens. 4. Facial massage. Swelling often occurs because lymphatic fluid gets stuck, creating that bloated feeling. A gentle directed massage can get things moving. Like unclogging a drain for your face. With your ring fingers, softly sweep from the inner corner out toward the temples, then down along the cheekbone. This sequence stimulates lymph flow to clear excess fluid. After 3 to 5 minutes, the area feels less heavy and more lifted. It is active care that teaches your body to drain itself. 5. Aloe vera. Aloe vera cools, reduces redness, and hydrates deeply. This plant is a pharmacy of soothing compounds. Spread a thin layer of pure aloe gel under your eyes for an instant revitalizing sensation. As it sinks in, it creates a slight tightening effect, making bags look smaller and skin more supple, especially if the gel is cold. It is nature's answer to plumping and smoothing in one step.
6. Cucumber slices. This classic exists for a reason.
Cucumbers are mostly water and contain skin-loving vitamins and silica that can reduce swelling. Place 2 cold, thin slices over your eyes. They help pull moisture from the tissue and calm the skin. In about 10 minutes, your gaze will appear brighter and smoother. It is a timeless hack because it delivers genuine, visible freshness. 7. Mind your water. Hydration is key, but salt is not. This is about strategy from the inside out. Drink a glass of plain water to help your system flush out retained fluid. Skip salty foods right before you need to look your best, as sodium promotes water retention and can accentuate puffiness. You are giving your body the clear signal to let go of what it is holding onto. Final words. Your most vibrant look is 20 minutes away. Consistency with these methods can lead to lasting change. If you found these secrets valuable, show your support. Please give this video a like and subscribe to Define Health Secrets for more ways to look and feel your best. Your journey to a more refreshed you starts right now.